Welcome back. Today we're looking at this viral order of operations puzzle 7 minus 7 times 7 divided by 7. With repeated sevens and mixed signs, let's break it down step by step using PEMDAS. Let's see why many people mistakenly answer 0. They calculate strictly from left to right, from the very start, subtracting 7 minus 7 to get 0, then multiplying and dividing to end up with 0. But subtracting before multiplying and dividing completely violates the order of operations. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division take priority over subtraction. Since multiplication and division share equal precedence, we work across that group strictly from left to right. Moving from the left, our first calculation is 7 times 7. Step 1. Multiply 7 by 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. Substituting 49 back in simplifies our expression to 7 minus 49 divided by 7. Step 2. Division outranks subtraction, so we divide 49 by 7 next. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. So now we are left with a simple final subtraction, 7 minus 7. Step 3. Perform the remaining subtraction, 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 equals 0. While the naive way accidentally got 0, the mathematically sound path confirms our true final answer is 0.